Key switch assemblies. Does it beep? No. It's got those buttons and these buttons. US 81. Sound like a hydraulic. Possibly was an Otis, going by the number. Ooh. I think it was an Otis of some sort, judging by the serial number. The other ones have an Otis looking serial number as well, and I believe they were used to be Europas. To be there. Yeah, that's a Europa size. It's a Europa size button. Lost its voice. And yeah, there's the serial number. Very Otisy. Sounds a bit rough. There's the new serial number. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Yeah, that's roughly the right timing of it. It's got the enable. Oh Jesus! The enable relay. Concept. Doors closing. I am the lift voice. Creaky. Level 3. Doors opening. Otisy. This one got recently done with a Dewhurst beeper that doesn't respond that much. Which part of it is the top part? Indicator. Yeah, that used to be the button.
Please mind the door.
Crunchy because no one's pressed it for a long time.
Closing.
No arrow, only the number, which does work, I think.
Level
Does
4.
work, yeah, good. It's got the older key switches.
Doors opening.
Going.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Oh. Oh, okay. Nice. Oh. Okay. Sorry. It got angry when we were doing that.
Level 1.
Bing. I'm the lift chime now.
Doors opening. Going up. Please
Isolation.
mind the doors. Going
No.
up. Doors closing.
No. Going up. Oh, it doesn't say it. That's interesting. Normally when it shuts the doors it says the direction but where it starts moving. It's not enabled on this for whatever reason.
Level 3.
Floor's enabled.
Doors opening.
Going
Down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
And before it moves it should say going down again, but it doesn't. Strange. Could that be related to the fact the arrow's dead? I don't know. Let's send it up to 2 when we get out at 1 and see what the arrow does on the outside, if it responds or not.
Level 1.
Very dark.
Doors opening. Going up. Please mind the door. Doors closing.
No, it doesn't care.